Okay, students, good afternoon once again. So now in the last classes we have learned how to multiply a monomial by a monomial and also a binomial by a binomial. Now today we'll learn how to multiply a binomial by a polynomial. Okay, and the binomial by a polynomial, for example, if you multiply a binomial multiplied by a binomial first. See, binomial has two terms. Again, a binomial has two terms. So, when we get the product, it will have 2 into 2, that is 4 terms. Now, if you multiply a binomial by a trinomial, binomial multiplied by a trinomial, now in that case, binomial has two terms, students, multiplied by a trinomial containing 3 terms. So the product will have how many terms? How many terms? 6 terms. 2 into 3, that is 6 terms. Let's solve some questions based on multiplication of binomial by a trinomial or also polynomial multiplied by a polynomial. Multiplied by a trinomial again. तो यहाँ ट्राइनोमियल में आपके पास 3 टर्म्स हैं और दूसरे ट्राइनोमियल में भी आपके पास 3 टर्म्स है. सो व्हेन यू गेट द प्रोडक्ट you will be having 3 into 3, 9 terms. Maximum 9 terms will be there in the product. Further, after the first step, you may combine the like terms and the number of terms may be reduced. This is maximum number of terms you may have. Okay? Now we'll take some examples of multiplication. So let's take some examples. First example is 2x plus 3 multiplied by x square minus 3x plus 5. Now this one is a binomial, the other one is a trinomial. We have to multiply these two. So as we have learnt earlier also, we'll be getting term number 1, 2x into x square. Let's write the terms. 2x multiplied by x square. For the second here, 2x multiplied by minus 3x plus 2x multiplied by minus 3x. Then third term, 2x multiplied by 5 plus 2x multiplied by 5. Then further again, now 3 will be multiplied to x square, that is the fourth term, plus 3 multiplied by x square. Next term, plus 3 multiplied by minus 3x plus 3 multiplied by minus 3x. And the last term, plus 3 multiplied by plus 5 plus 3 multiplied by plus 5. Now let's simplify this. 2x into x square, this will be 2x raised to the power 3 plus into minus, minus 2 into 3, 6, x into x, x square, plus 2 into 5, 10 x plus 3x square plus 3 into minus 3x plus minus minus 3 3s are 9 x plus 3 5s are 15. Now let's combine the like terms. Now you see minus 6x square plus 3x square, these are two like terms, and we also have plus 10x and minus 9x, these are also two like terms. So first we'll rearrange the terms, so that on rearrangement we'll write it as 2x square 2x cube minus 6x square plus 3x square plus 10x minus 9x plus 15. Now let's combine the like terms together to get the final answer. So these are the two like terms, and we know that minus 6x square plus 3x square, this will give you minus 3x square. And here plus 10x minus 9x, this will give you plus 1x. So finally the answer is 2x cube minus 3x square plus 1x, or simply you can write plus x, plus 15. So this is your answer finally. See, initially we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms, but we have combined some terms and with the number of terms is reduced. Now it is 4. So the maximum number of terms is 6 here when we multiply a binomial by a trinomial. Okay? Okay students, so we have to multiply these two. Now let's see. Let's write the first. We'll pick up one expression from here. यहाँ से एक टर्म उठाते हैं और वो टर्म है हमारा x स्क्वायर. तो पहला टर्म फर्स्ट टर्म से मल्टीप्लाई होगा, पहला टर्म सेकेंड टर्म से मल्टीप्लाई होगा, पहला टर्म थर्ड टर्म से मल्टीप्लाई होगा. I'll write the answer directly now. So we have x square into x square, which is equal to x raised to the power 4. Then x square into plus 3x, so that is plus 3x cube. Then x square into minus 2, this is minus 2x square. Then further, now this minus 2x will be multiplied to the second term multiplied by first, second multiplied by second, second multiplied by third. अब देखिए बच्चों आपको क्या मिल रहा है यहाँ पर, minus 2x into x square. Minus 2x into x square will be minus 2x cube. तो मैं minus 2x cube को like terms के नीचे like terms लिखता हूँ ताकि confusion ना हो. फिर minus 2x into plus 3x, this is minus 6x square. Further minus 2x into minus 2, that becomes plus 4x. So this is second term multiplied to whole. अब तीसरा देखिएगा, plus 5 into x square plus 5 into plus 3x plus 5 into minus 2. So here we have now plus 5 into x square, this is plus 5x square, plus 5 into 3x, that is plus 15x, plus 5 into minus 2, it is minus 10. So finally now our answer is x power 4 अकेला था, as it is लिख दिया. अब यहाँ पर देखिएगा ये दो लाइक टर्म्स है हमारे पास, ये दो लाइक टर्म्स है, प्लस 3 माइनस 2, पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, 3 माइनस 2 1 बच गया, बड़े नंबर का साइन प्लस है तो प्लस 1 एक्स क्यूब एज इट इज आएगा, तो प्लस 1 एक्स क्यूब. अब यहाँ पर देखिएगा नेक्स्ट पेयर ऑफ लाइक टर्म्स विच यू हैव, दीज आर 3. यहाँ पे 3 टर्म्स है. सो अगेन लेट्स सी. पहले तो यहाँ पर मैं देखिए एक्स स्क्वायर तो एज इट इज आ जाएगा, यहाँ कोई चेंज नहीं आता है. अब हम देखते हैं -2 दो नेगेटिव ऐड हो जाएगा, 2 + 6 8 हो गया, -8 और +5 वी आर गेटिंग हियर -8 + 5, इट इज एक्चुअली -2 -6 + 5, so -8 + 5 that is -3, so here we get -3x square, -3x²। अब नेक्स्ट टर्म देखते हैं बच्चों, नेक्स्ट में देखिए आप 4x 15x बोथ आर पॉजिटिव, तो ऐड कर दीजिए, प्लस किया 4 + 15 19x as it is and further -10 alone, and this is your answer. Okay, so this is way it is multiplied, a trinomial multiplied by a trinomial. Example number 3. X + 1 multiplied by x² - x + 1. And example number 4 is x - 1 multiplied by x² + x + 1. Let's multiply these and see. So x into x², x into -x, x into +1. So we get here x into x² is x³, x into -x is -x², x into 1 is x, x into 1 is x, that is +x. Now next term multiplied, first term we have already multiplied, now second term 1 into x², 1 into -x, 1 into +1. So here we get 1 into x² plus x², 1 into -x minus x, 1 into 1, that is +1. Now what we observe, we see -x² plus x² cancel हो गया, plus x minus x also gets cancelled, and the remaining is only x³ plus 1, and this is the answer. Okay, similarly fourth one, x into x², x into x, x into 1, and then comes -1 into x², -1 into x, -1 into 1. So let's see what we get here. X into x², x³, x into x, x², x into 1 plus x, -1 into x², minus x², -1 into x, minus x, -1 into +1 is -1. So when we simplify this, plus x² minus x², plus x minus x cancel. So here we get this is equal to x³ minus 1, and that is the answer. Okay. Okay students, so now let's see first what we'll do. Let's simplify this part. इसको पहले simplify कर लेते हैं, फिर इसको भी simplify करेंगे, और जैसा कि हमने पहले डिस्कस किया था from, तो from में जब subtraction होता है तो हम बाद वाले एक्सप्रेशन को पहले लिखते हैं, हम बाद वाले एक्सप्रेशन को पहले लिखेंगे from के बाद जो लिखा हुआ है. So according to that, 4c into minus a is minus 4ac. 4c into b is 4bc. 4c into c is 4c square. ये तो हो गया सेकेंड एक्सप्रेशन. अब हम फर्स्ट एक्सप्रेशन लिखते हैं. We'll write like terms one below the other. 3a into a. That will be 3a square. There is no term containing 3a square, तो as it is लिखा, प्लस का साइन है. 3a into b, 3ab भी कोई टर्म नहीं है यहाँ पर, तो ये लिखा प्लस 3ab. 3a into c प्लस 3ac, यहाँ पर आएगा प्लस 3ac. Now minus 2b into a, this is minus 2ab, minus 2ab. Okay, then minus 2b into minus b is minus 2b square. Then minus 2b into c is minus 2bc. तो ये हमने पूरा सेकंड एक्सप्रेशन पूरा एज इट इज लिखा हुआ है. अब देखिए सब्ट्रैक्ट करना था बच्चों. तो जब सब्ट्रैक्ट करना होता है तो जैसा कि हमने पहले भी डिस्कस किया था, यहाँ के सारे साइन बदल जाएंगे. ऑल द साइंस हियर विल चेंज. नाउ सी व्हाट वी गेट. 3a स्क्वायर, हियर वी आर सब्ट्रैक्टेड. साइन चेंज, तो जब साइन चेंज हुए तो यहाँ पर आ गया आपका माइनस का साइन, यहाँ पे भी माइनस हो गया, ये हो गया प्लस. दिस विल बिकम माइनस, दिस विल बिकम प्लस, दिस विल बिकम प्लस. नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट वी गेट. minus 3a square, minus 3a square, minus 4ac, minus 3ac, that becomes minus 7ac. Plus 4bc plus 2bc, this is plus 6bc. Plus 4c square, minus 3ab, plus 2ab, plus 2b square. अब जब ये आंसर आया था बच्चों, तो यहाँ पे देखिए कोई लाइक टर्म्स आपको दिख रहे हैं क्या? ये दो लाइक टर्म्स हैं. ये जो दो लाइक टर्म्स है ये सिर्फ सिंप्लीफाई होगा. तो फाइनली योर आंसर इज minus 3a square, minus 7ac, plus 6bc, plus 4c square, minus ab, plus 2b square, and that is the answer for question number 5D part. Thank you very much. You can watch the video and solve the questions of exercise 9.3 of NCERT. Thank you very much, and